Do you ever feel like no matter how healthy you eat, no matter how much you work out, your metabolism just isn't the same after 40? You're not imagining it. Your body really does change. But here's the good news. Most of these things are within your control and you can absolutely fix it. In this video, I'm gonna break down why your metabolism tends to become sluggish after 40 and the exact steps that you can take to rev it back up. Stick with me to the end because I've got a free resource for you. It's called the Monkee Fat Loss Playbook. It's a simple step-by-step guide that will get you started right away. So let's talk about why this happens. First, muscle loss. Starting in your 30s, most women lose lean muscle every single year, especially if you're not strength training, doing something to preserve that lean muscle. And less lean muscle means that your body is burning fewer calories. Think of lean muscle as your calorie burning engine. If the engine shrinks, it's gonna burn less fuel. Second, hormones. Estrogen begins to decline, and that affects where your body prefers to store fat. On top of that, insulin resistance often creeps in, making it way more likely for your body to store fat right in your midsection. Quick side note, insulin resistance affects many Americans, and that is something that I address often on this channel, so be sure to subscribe. Insulin resistance is a killer of your metabolism and is so hard on your health. And let's not forget cortisol, your stress hormone. When stress is high and sleep is low, cortisol makes fat loss even harder. And third is lifestyle shifts. This one's pretty obvious, but we don't often think of it. Your life is busier, you're pulled in more directions, and you're more likely less active than you were back in your 30s. It's easy to skip workout, grab fast food, and sleep less. Over time, these little shifts start to add up. They show up in a sluggish metabolism. But here's the thing, slowing down does not mean that you're doomed. This is not just about age, really it's about your habits. And that means you have control. You can actually reverse a sluggish metabolism with a few simple changes. I've helped hundreds of women over 40 do this. And I promise, once you know the levers to pull, you can feel energized, leaner, and more confident in your body again. So what are those levers? Here are 4 big ones. Number 1 is strength training. This is a non-negotiable. Muscle is metabolic gold. If you want to burn more calories all the time, the fastest way is to build lean muscle. Listen, you don't need to spend hours in the gym. Even short full body workouts using just dumbbells will do the trick. And don't forget, you can find tons of workouts on my Stress Monkee YouTube channel. They're specifically designed to help you to rev your metabolism. I recommend 2 to 3 strength training workouts per week, full body, about 30 minutes. Number 2 is stress management. Most people know this one, but it seems like very few people actually take the time to do things to help manage their stress. If you experience too much stress too often, that stress hormone cortisol is gonna keep you in fat storage mode. That's why I always say mastering stress is just as important as mastering your workouts. Breathing techniques, leisurely paced walking, laughter, even carving out just like 10 minutes to get in a nice quick stretch can make all the difference. Number 3, protein and balanced meals. This is getting talked about a lot and for very good reason. Most women are under eating protein. I mean, think about it. Protein helps you to preserve and even build more of that lean muscle that we talked about. And on top of that, protein keeps you full longer and it helps to stabilize your blood sugar. And I like to use my FPF formula. That's fiber, protein, fat at every meal. And it's a game changer for your metabolism. And number 4, quality sleep and recovery. Your body repairs and regulates hormones while you sleep. Also prime fat burning time. If you're constantly skipping on rest, not getting the sleep you should be, fat loss is going to become an uphill battle. Aim for 7 to 8 hours when you can, and treat recovery as part of your program, not an afterthought. A great form of recovery the day after a workout is slow to moderate pace walking. Walking is a form of active recovery. That blood circulation that happens when you're walking helps your body to get more nutrients. Now I know that was a lot of info. You might even be wondering, okay, where do I start? That's exactly why I created for you the Stress Monkee Fat Loss Playbook. It's a simple step-by-step guide, lays out the exact habit and the strategies that you need to start restoring your metabolism, burning fat, and feeling more energized. The best part, it's totally free. Literally have nothing to lose. You can go grab it right now with the link below, or you can find the link in the description. So remember, your metabolism doesn't just slow down because of age. It slows down because of muscle loss, hormone shifts, and lifestyle changes. But the amazing thing is that you have the power to turn it back up. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more metabolism boosting tips. Drop a comment and let me know your biggest question about your metabolism after 40. I'd love to answer it for you in a future video. And don't forget to download that free Fat Loss Playbook before you go. It'll give you the roadmap so you can get started today. I'll see ya in the next video.